welcome to my YouTube channel, and as y'all can see by the title, we're doing a Sensational Butta lace review plus a wig install, y'all. And I got the Butta unit in style number 5 in the color 2. And yeah, this is me with it on, y'all. Very much giving, even though y'all the hair is real big. Like, this is it from the back. Real big. Like, the lace is beginner friendly. I say that this hair will probably last you until like a couple days or whatnot. I got a lot of compliments on this hair. Let's see me install this wig, and make sure that y'all keep on watching. All right, let's get straight into it. This is how it looks when it comes out the package. Very full, fluffy, curls is popping. Y'all, this eats. So yeah, first I already got my bald cap on. So now I'm gonna take my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray.
Unless I write it down for real, PS. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I think we got this. Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't.
So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry out that spray so it can be sticky and tacky so the ball cap can stick to my skin. Y'all, not too much of my voice right now. Like, I done lost my voice a couple days ago and it's just now coming back. Y'all, why do I look so serious right now? I'm dead. All right.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till I feel the lights down right now.
So now I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the ball cap close to my hairline so it could be laid, so the wig can be laid, and yeah.
I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is wrong. Unless I write it down for real. PS. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I think we got this. Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't.
So now I'm gonna take my foundation powder that's in the same color as my skin tone, but this foundation powder that I'm using, I realized that it was too light, so I went back and used the darker foundation powder that I had to make sure that it's really blended into my skin so it can look like scalp when I install the wig.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you.
So now I'm going to take that same foundation powder and put it on the inside of my wig on that lace so it can look like scalp.
I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes
So now I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the lace into 4 sections so I can glue down the lace in each section so it can give really like that melted look.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do.
After I'm done cutting the flaps of the lace, I'm gonna now take my Adhesive Spray and spray up under the flaps. And now I'm gonna take the end of my rat tail comb to smooth out that adhesive spray so it could be all over the part where I sprayed it at. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry that ebon lace spray so it can stick to my forehead. Now after that is sticking to my forehead, I'm gonna take the end of my rat tail comb and I'm gonna just make sure that I'm pressing it down so it can stick, and then I'm doing the same thing on both sides underneath each flap.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away.
Now I'm gonna go back in with that spray and spray on top of that lace, and then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to take my wig band and I'm gonna just make sure that that mess is melted. And I'm gonna leave that wig band on for about like 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off. Now that the wig band is off, you can already see that it is giving scalp. Like, where is the lace? I didn't even cut off the lace yet, and you can't even see the lace. But now I'm taking my scissors and cutting real close to the hairline of the wig. And yeah, very self-explanatory for the next couple steps.
Right next to you.
So y'all, I was getting frustrated. I just had to just go ahead and just cut off that extra lace off camera. So now I'm taking my wax stick and my hot comb and slicking that hair back so it can be real sleek and laid.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish you would.
So now I'm gonna take my edge brush and brush out the edges that the wig already came with. I didn't even pull out no edges or nothing like that because the wig already came with edges, and I didn't even cut the edges. I just basically just swooped them and yeah. So now I'm attempting to put my hair up in a half up, half down style. I like the middle part, but I just want to do something different, as y'all can see. Now that I got it in the desired shape that I want it to be in, I'm gonna take my edge brush and brush out them edges again and make sure that my edges are really, really laid. Now I'm taking this synthetic wig spray that I got from my local beauty supply store, and now I'm just spraying it all over my wig. It just basically just conditions the synthetic wig fibers and basically just make it easier to manage and just to make the curls back popping because it is synthetic, so it's not like human hair. As y'all can see, look at me, I'm already feeling myself like I feel like a baddie. Like, come on now, you can't tell me that this wig ain't popping. You cannot tell me that this wig not popping because it's synthetic. Like, what type of synthetic wig you know? Curls popping like it looks like human hair, like. But now I'm just taking my scissors now and I'm just like reshaping it to my face. I don't know like why I kept cutting it because it already looked good as it is. It was just like I wasn't used to like big hair like that. So yeah, it still look good though. And now I'm taking my mousse that I got, just argan oil mousse that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just putting it all over the curls to make it pop even more. And y'all, look at me in this mirror. Like, I'm feeling myself, literally. Like, this wig is laid. And where is the lace? Like, you can't even see the lace. Y'all, make sure y'all get the Sensational Butta Lace Unit number 5. Like, yeah. So now this is the middle part, y'all. I don't know why I really didn't like it. I just wasn't feeling it as much as I was feeling the half up, half down. Like, but yeah, this is the middle part. It's cute now that I look back at it now, but still I'm cutting it to shape in my face because for some reason when I was doing it, it was way too big for me. Like I was not used to all that hair. So I was just like trying to minimize it and, like really trying to get it sleek. But yeah. So this is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.